You got spaghetti noodle hanging out of your mouth. Good job, Logan. Good job, baby. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Eat it up. Is that good, Ty? You don't need no plates, right? Oh, you putting it back in the dish?
Logan?
Tyler, he's putting it back in the dish.
I had Logan doing it a minute ago.
Oh, and now he's dumping it out. You guys are so cute. No, not on the floor, Logan. Logan, eat your spaghetti. Logan.
I guess I need to clean the house today because
Logan.
Kate's overnight, right?
I'm videoing. Oh. What you doing, Tyler?